Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip in the oven. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, which is the heart of our dip. Next, make sure you have 8 ounces of softened cream cheese to ensure a smooth, creamy texture. Don't forget 1/2 cup each of your favorite buffalo sauce and either ranch or blue cheese dressing for that classic flavor combination. These simple ingredients are all you need to get started on this delicious appetizer. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, buffalo sauce, and your chosen dressing. Use a spoon or spatula to mix these ingredients thoroughly until they are smooth and completely blended. This creates the rich, flavorful base for your dip. Once the base is ready, gently fold in the 2 cups of shredded chicken, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout the mixture. This step is crucial for a consistent taste in every bite. With your dip mixed and ready, it's time to get it into the oven. First, transfer the entire mixture into an 8 by 8 inch baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Once hot, place the dish in the oven and bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's perfectly done when the edges are bubbly and the top has a lovely golden brown hue. This ensures a warm, gooey, and irresistible dip. Once your buffalo chicken dip is out of the oven, let it cool for just a few minutes before serving. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some freshly chopped green onions or a sprinkle of blue cheese crumbles. This dip is best served warm with a variety of dippers like crisp celery sticks, crunchy carrot sticks, or your favorite tortilla chips. It's perfect for parties or a cozy night in. And speaking of cozy, if you love diving into a good story, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious homemade buffalo chicken dip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.